Hello beautiful people, how you doing? This is what I'm snacking on today. Right here, these blueberries, these crackers, as you can see, they're almost gone. Peanut butter, my favorite peanut butter, doesn't have any salt or sugar. So I'm snacking on Simply Orange, no added sugar. These sugar-free wafers, I try not to eat them that much, but there's some I eat now. I'm kind of lazy. So I'm losing weight. I lost 2 pounds over the holidays. I still lost 2 pounds. It's not as much as I wanted to lose, but I ain't gaining any weight, so I'm grateful. And this right here, strawberry banana, no sugar, naked smoothie. Of course, blueberries. I got some strawberries too. I forgot to put in here. But this is what I'm eating. These crackers also have no sugar. These have no sugar. I try to get food that don't have sugar in it because sugar is not good. Sugar is not good. So this is what I'm finna eat right now as a snack. So this is what I do. I put a little peanut butter on my crackers. And then I sprinkle. Oops. This stevia comes out fast. Sprinkle a little stevia on there to make it sweet. Some of my favorite products right here. That and agave. I sprinkle this on. This is what I snack on. Snack on this, tastes so good. Homemade peanut butter crackers, no extra salt, sugar, I don't need all that. You don't need it either. That's what I eat with a few blueberries. So that's what I'm snacking on. That's what I'm snacking on. I also use these, sometimes I put peanut butter and jelly on these too. These are very, very good. Lundberg, organic, honey nut, sweet and nutty. These don't have a lot of sugar either. These have 2 grams of sugar. They're so good and healthy. I eat those also. I'm in my pantry. I'm not in my kitchen. I'm in my pantry upstairs. This is where I'm in my laundry room. I'm in my laundry room upstairs. I have a refrigerator up here that I keep my snacks and stuff on. It's a little messy, but anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. This is what I do, and you'll help lose weight. In general, snacking too much ain't good. If you do this kind of right after you eat, it won't lead to weight gain. But if you do have to snack in between, like you're waiting on the meal, this is how you do it right here. Berries, crackers, some type of nut butter with no sugar or salt. Last, these are go-to cookies. These are I don't have nothing else to eat because I don't eat regular cookies. So, okay, I just want to share that. So get your health on. Get your health on, and thank you for visiting God-given, where our health is our wealth. Chat with you later. Bye-bye.